As temperatures drop, so do prices on must-have gadgets, but not all deals are created equal. Are you prepared to discover which items are worth your time before they vanish? Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. 10 Great Gadgets Winter Sale. Sale up to 40% on Amazon. Let's go! Anker QE2 Fast Portable Charger. The Anker QI2 Fast Portable Charger redefines convenience with 15W wireless charging, designed specifically for iPhone 12, 13 to 14 Tier 15 series. It rapidly powers your device to 50% in just 44 minutes, perfect for busy days. Equipped with a smart display, it keeps you informed of battery percentages and recharge times. With a 10,000 mAh capacity and a built-in stand, it's both a power source and a hands-free viewing solution. While it also supports Android devices, the magnetic charging feature is exclusive to iPhones. This charger is compact, efficient, and ideal for on-the-go lifestyles. Included in the package are a USB-C cable, a 24-month warranty, and friendly customer support. A must-have for Apple users needing fast, reliable power with modern convenience. Blueair Bluepure 2-1 One S5 Max. The Bluepure 2-1 One S5 Max from Blueair is a game-changer in air purification. Utilizing HEPA-silent dual filtration technology, it clears up to 3,048 SQF of air in just 60 minutes while remaining whisper quiet, 53 dB. It removes 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns, tackling allergens, odors, and smoke with ease. Smart features include app-based air quality monitoring, geofencing, and Alexa voice control, ensuring effortless integration into your lifestyle. Perfect for large spaces, it boasts a sleek design and energy efficiency that surpasses traditional HEPA filters. Whether for allergy relief or maintaining a fresh home, this purifier offers unmatched performance and customization to suit your needs. Dreo Smart Wall Heater. The Dreo Smart Wall Heater blends efficiency with modern features for optimal warmth, covering up to 750 SQF. As a supplementary source, it provides fast, even heat with a 120-degree oscillation. Smart controls via the Dreo app or voice commands with Alexa, Google Home offer unparalleled convenience. A 41 to 95 degree temperature range, precise 1 degree adjustments, and low-noise operation, perfect for bedrooms, ensure a tailored comfort experience. Easy to install and maintain, it includes a reusable filter and detachable design. With a focus on efficiency and style, the Dreo heater is ideal for small to medium spaces needing reliable, smart heating. Anker SOLIX C1000 Portable Power Station. The Anker SOLIX C1000 Portable Power Station is a powerhouse for adventurers. It recharges to 80% in just 43 minutes and features a 10-year lifespan with 3,000 battery cycles. Its 2400W surge pad technology powers 99% of appliances, while 11 ports keep multiple devices running. Maximize solar efficiency with adjustable angles and 23% sunlight conversion. Built for durability, it withstands extreme conditions with IP67 weatherproofing. Whether you're camping or preparing for emergencies, the SOLIX C1000 is versatile, reliable, and built to last. It includes all necessary cables, a solar panel, and a 24-month warranty, making it a must-have for on-the-go power needs. REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam Front Rear. The REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam ensures safety with 4K plus 1080p dual recording, capturing every detail with ultra-wide angles. Its superior night vision and HDR/WDR technology deliver clear footage in low-light conditions. Equipped with Wi-Fi and app control, it allows seamless video playback and sharing. The built-in GPS tracks routes, speeds, and locations, offering valuable evidence during accidents. Features like loop recording, a G-sensor for collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring ensure comprehensive coverage. With an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support, the REDTIGER Dashcam is an essential tool for reliable and detailed road monitoring. Roborock Q5 Pro Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q5 Pro Plus takes the hassle out of cleaning with its advanced self-emptying system, storing debris for up to 7 weeks in a 2.5L dust bag. With powerful 5500 PA suction and dual rubber brushes, it tackles stubborn dirt and pet hair effortlessly, leaving your floors spotless. Its dual-function design allows simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, powered by a 770mm dustbin and 180mm water tank. PreciSense LiDAR navigation ensures precise mapping, customizable cleaning routes, and multi-level mapping for tailored cleaning. Ideal for busy households, this smart cleaning solution makes maintaining your home a breeze. Note: supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and works best when purchased in new condition. Oral-B IO Deep Clean Electric Toothbrush. Upgrade your oral hygiene with the Oral-B IO Deep Clean Electric Toothbrush. Engineered to remove 100% more plaque than manual brushes, its IO pressure sensor ensures optimal pressure for effective yet gentle cleaning. Featuring a timer with light notifications and 3 cleaning modes, daily clean, sensitive, and whitening, it personalizes every brushing session. The round brush heads are designed to reach areas traditional brushes can't, delivering a superior clean. A long-lasting lithium-ion battery ensures fewer recharges. Trusted by dentists worldwide, the IO Deep Clean is the perfect tool for healthier gums and a brighter smile in just 1 week. Tineco Floor ONE S5. The Tineco Floor ONE S5 revolutionizes hard floor cleaning with its 2-in-1 vacuum and mop design. It effortlessly handles wet and dry messes, while the iLoop Smart Sensor technology adjusts settings for optimal cleaning performance. A 30% larger water tank and dual tank system ensure uninterrupted cleaning with fresh water. Its innovative brush roller reaches baseboards and corners, leaving floors streak-free and dry in minutes. Maintenance is simple with a self-cleaning cycle and a pet hair strainer. The compact 3-in-1 docking station makes storage and charging hassle-free. Perfect for homes with pets or kids, this smart cleaner offers efficiency and convenience in every pass. TOLOCO Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Relieve muscle fatigue and pain with the TOLOCO Deep Tissue Massage Gun. Its high penetration force of 12 mm and speeds up to 3,200 RPM deliver powerful muscle relief. Featuring 10 interchangeable heads, it's versatile for targeting different body areas. A quiet motor ensures relaxation without disturbing others, operating at only 40-50 dB. The LED touchscreen lets you adjust speeds and monitor battery life with up to 6 hours of runtime per charge. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for home, gym, or travel. Packed in a carrying case, it makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones seeking effective pain relief. JBL Tune 770NC wireless headphones. Immerse yourself in exceptional sound with the JBL Tune 770NC headphones. Adaptive noise canceling blocks distractions, while smart ambient keeps you aware of your surroundings. With Bluetooth 5.3 and LE audio, enjoy seamless, high-quality streaming or synchronized audio for movies and games. Renowned JBL Pure Bass delivers deep, resonant sound customizable via the JBL app's EQ settings. Manage calls hands-free with VoiceAware, ensuring clarity during conversations. Lightweight and comfortable, these headphones are perfect for work, travel, or relaxation. Elevate your listening experience with long battery life and advanced sound. Features in a sleek design. Tips for getting the best deals. Apply coupons. Look for apply coupon offers on product pages for instant savings. Which of these gadgets is your favorite? Share your must-have winter tech finds in the comments below. Don't wait. Click the links in our review to explore these incredible gadgets and grab them before the winter sale ends.